How to crochet. Crocheting is a popular and enjoyable craft that allows you to create a wide range of items, from clothing and accessories to home decor and toys. Here's a beginner-friendly guide to get you started with crocheting. 1. Gather your supplies. Crochet hook. Start with a medium-sized hook, such as a size H, 5 mm, and adjust as needed for your project. Yarn. Choose a yarn appropriate for your project. Many patterns will specify the type and weight of yarn to use. Scissors. Yarn needle or tapestry needle for weaving in ends too. Learn basic crochet stitches. Slip knot. This is the first step in starting most crochet projects. It creates a loop that you'll use to begin your chain. Chain stitch. CH. The chain stitch forms the foundation of most crochet projects. It's created by pulling yarn through the loop on your hook. Single crochet, SC. The single crochet stitch is one of the most basic stitches in crochet. It creates a dense, sturdy fabric and is often used in amigurumi and other projects. Double crochet, DC. The double crochet stitch is taller than the single crochet and creates a looser, more open fabric. It's commonly used in blankets, scarves, and other projects. 3. Practice your tension. Tension refers to how tightly or loosely you hold the yarn as you crochet. Consistent tension is important for creating even stitches in a uniform fabric. Practice crocheting a few rows of each stitch to get a feel for how to hold the yarn and hook to achieve the desired tension. 4. Start with simple projects. Begin with small, simple projects to practice your stitches and techniques. Dishcloths, coasters, and granny squares are great beginner projects that can be completed quickly and easily. 5. Follow patterns. Once you're comfortable with the basic stitches, try following crochet patterns to create more complex projects. Patterns will tell you which stitches to use, how many stitches to make, and how to assemble your project. 6. Experiment and have fun. Crocheting is a versatile craft that allows for endless creativity. Experiment with different yarns, colors, and stitches to create unique and personalized projects. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Crocheting is a learning process, and practice is key to improving your skills. 7. Join crochet communities. Joining crochet communities online or in person can be a great way to connect with other crocheters, share tips and inspiration, and learn new techniques. Remember, crocheting takes time and patience to master, so be patient with yourself as you learn. With practice and perseverance, you'll soon be crocheting beautiful and unique creations.